Hey, it's Patti Allred in North Carolina. Listen, I wanted to hop on here because I have people asking me all the time, show me what you do. What do you do to make money online? Teach me. I'll always have people doing that. So I've been staying at home since our daughter was born. Okay, she's 35. All right, been a minute. I wanted to just tell you that I am super stoked because one of the main income streams that I have, the training that I got, that I follow, dude, he's coming out with a new one next week. It's not too late to get the one that I already have, but I'm so stoked. I've already gotten my spot for the one next week because he's going to just show ways to make money if you don't have a lot of followers, if you don't want to get in front of a camera. What else did he say? It was just things that are like, okay, grandmas, you want to play with your grandkids, but you want to get some money coming in too? Here you go. Grandpas, you too. Really, anybody. I'm going to put the link in the description below, or whatever platform you're watching me on with this. I'll have it somewhere where you can check it out and grab your spot as well. Don't sleep on this. Listen, it is a training to definitely get, for real, okay? Because I've been doing this online side hustle thing for 35 plus years. Been able to stay home, raise my kids, help raise my grandkids, and many others. Been a blessing. Is it hard? Heck yeah, it's hard. Do I love it? Yes. Do I get tired and frustrated? Yes. But I'm so blessed. And I'm blessed to be able to share it with you as well. So find the link, get this training, get in on it, and get going. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So you're not tech savvy? Neither am I. You don't have a certain amount of time during the day that you can do something? Neither do I. I am forever having my days all switched around because of, grandkids or something. Not complaining, just stating truth. You want to make some money online? You want to make a few extra $100 a month? A few extra $100 a week? I don't know where you are, what you want to do. But I do know that I am stoked for this training that's coming up. I wanted to share it with you, and I'll see you on the inside. If you like this video, I'll be doing some more. Click my like, follow, whatever. Say hey. Yeah, I'm from North Carolina, so we say hey. I'm a regular person. I love purple. Make it a great day. I'll talk to you soon.